Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Thanksgiving is definitely in the air, and with all the fall vibes swirling around us, I thought it would be amazing to bring you a video featuring some of the best fall and Thanksgiving coffee table decor that I have seen. So if you enjoyed this video or these type of videos, make sure you subscribe and keep watching. You guys, I am really starting to love the fall decor that are not in traditional fall colors, like these whites that are shown right now. It's just so gorgeous to me. And if you still use fall related items like pumpkins or bales of hay, but just do it in different color schemes, I feel like you can still bring in that dose of fall that you want without just completely contradicting your already established color palette that you have going on in your room. So the white pumpkins, like just the random colors of different items, I am absolutely going for. Comment down below if you prefer traditional colors or more updated colors like in neutrals or whites. Alright guys, I definitely hope that you have enjoyed the video. Definitely comment down below what you think your favorite fall coffee table look has been so far. Was it in the traditional sense? Was it a neutral? Was it in white? What type of fabrics were used? Like, was it velvet? Was it just a regular cotton? I'm so curious to know. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.